We are Team Reboot Rebels. This is Himanshu, she is Shraddha, this is Amay, and I am Prajwal. So our project is a smart stand for our Android smartphones. It is an IoT based smart stand plus an Android application combo to help in the academic endeavors of students. So let's look into it further. So the first question was inspiration for the hack. So the inspiration for the hack was us being lazy engineers in general. We thought that how can we avoid this laziness and get more productive. So as DevCup was in line for our calendar, so we thought, can we build a solution, a hack for this problem of getting rid of the laziness and increasing overall productivity of a person, which comes under the track of EdTech, our project. It is Smart Stand for smartphones. So firstly we decided to make a complete approach which is software based and app based approach for the hack. But then we looked at our habits of studying. So we generally keep our phones with us while studying and we get easily tempted by the notifications. So to avoid that, we thought let's make a hardware hack in combination with the app which both will work in sync towards avoiding distractions and getting more work done. So we designed a smart stand using IoT which will keep our phone on the stand, and there will be an app based approach which will have a host of features that will be in line for the user to make an overall good experience in his academic endeavors.
Okay, so the next point that will be covered is what problem does our hack solve at a bigger scale. So the very first problem that it solves is improve concentration of the user, which indirectly helps in overall productivity boost of the user. So secondly, the stand plus app combo helps to develop daily routine of the user, and also we store the activity session of the user so he or she can track the study session in the app itself. Also, the user will be able to segregate and plan tasks with due date so that he or she can properly organize the time. So overall, it is a tool that helps a student to boost productivity and in turn achieve more in his or her academic endeavors.
So now let's see how we build the hardware. For the design part, we use a prototyping material, that is a sunboard. The smart stand consists of three components, that is the OLED display, a triggering switch and the ESP camera, along with the main computing element, that is Node MCU, which is inside the dashboard. The main features of the hardware element are the Firebase connectivity. We are establishing Firebase connectivity through the help of Wi-Fi, which is in the Node MCU board.
So now let's talk about the software part and how we build it. So the very first feature is to-do list, where the user can store his tasks and perform the tasks accordingly. The second feature is hardware timeline. So the hardware time is basically the time that the user concentrated using the stand in his home setup. And the other time is the app timeline. So basically when the user is outside home, so he cannot use the stand. So here we have given a feature in the application so that he can carry out the task with the help of the feature. So that is what the timer mode is. So in the timer, now let's see the implementation of the application that we have created for our smart stand, and let's see some of the features in detail. So this is the splash screen of our application. So these are the landing pages that we have created for the user to understand what the app actually does. So as we can see, there are three landing pages here, basically just to let the user know about the features. So this is a timer mode. So here the user can enter the minutes. Here the user can enter the minutes, and also he can give a tag to the work he is doing, like study, games, videos or series, whatever he is doing. He can give the tag here and enter the minutes here. So now let's see how the timer works. So basically this activity of the user will be stored only when the timer is completed, and if the user stops the timer in between, this activity will not be considered as completed and the record will not be stored in the Firebase. So now let's wait for the timer to complete and let's see whether the activity is added in the Firebase or not. So as now we can see, when the timer comes to 0, the time focused by user and the tag is successfully stored in the database and toast message is given to the user. So now this was the home screen of the application. Another feature we have given here is a to-do list for the user to know what tasks are remaining to perform, and he can do that task on the stand. So this was the feature of to-do list. So the next feature is the timeline. So basically this is the hardware timeline. So the timeline of the stand will be shown here. So if so basically the three things that are shown here are the date, the start time, and the time concentrated by the user. So this was about the hardware timeline. Another feature we have given is here app timeline. So basically this is a timer mode timeline that the user is able to see by using the application. So this feature is given for the user because if a user is away from his home, he cannot carry the stand. So this will be his outside setup to perform a task and record that task accordingly. And the last is about us. So our team is Reboot Rebels, and our team members include Prajwal Kadam, Amay Dhuri, Shraddha Bagwe, myself, Himanshu Bhatia, and we are from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, that is VIT. So this was all about our application. Thank you.
Okay, now let's see the working of the smart stand. When we boot up the smart stand, the OLED display will light up and indicate that the Wi-Fi is not connected at the right top corner. Once the Wi-Fi gets connected, the display will start showing the real-time clock and a small code at the bottom of the screen along with the Wi-Fi bars at the top. When the user wants to track his focus period, he will keep his mobile device on top of the smart stand. This will trigger a limit switch that is on above the dashboard. Now the smart stand will track the focus period. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now a minute has been passed. We can also see that the OLED display is showing the timer at the 1 minute has passed. The bottom line of the OLED display is also showing the real-time clock. Also the Wi-Fi bars are also being displayed at the right top corner. Once the focus period has been ended, the user can lift up his device. The smart stand will detect this and make an update to the Firebase.
So the next point is the challenges that we faced during the hackathon. So the first challenge was in the app development phase. As we started developing the app, we faced a lot of issues when it comes to cloud integration. After figuring that out, the next issue was how to make the hardware competent enough to send data to the Firebase cloud store. Also fetching the documents from the cloud store to the stand was also a big task. Another challenge was configuring the OLED display, as it was a big task as it requires configuring each pixel of the display individually. I think these were some of the challenges that we faced during the hackathon, and along with few challenges like maintaining the repo task management and keeping good morale of the team throughout the hackathon.
So accomplishments that we are proud of. So after pulling off a hardware-based hack with an independent app was in itself a big accomplishment for us. So another point is accomplishment we feel is working straight for 48 hours together. It's really increased our bonding and overall productivity of our team, and it also helped us to learn teamwork and management. Thank you. So the next point is what next for our hack. So on the part of improvements, we have integrated an ESP camera into the stand, but we didn't have enough time to implement a focus tracking system into it. So we plan on using the ESP camera to track the attention span of the user. We also plan to visualize user stats with the help of graphs and charts. To make the app more intuitive, we plan on adding filters like study streaks and top learner charts. So it will give a feel of a community to the user. And also it inspires the user towards productivity, so we could add a reward system to it which boosts the app usage and also make it more feasible for the business as well. Thank you.
Upload our video. We created a smart stand for smartphones. It was a great experience to work for DevCup for straight 48 hours. It taught us a lot. We'll cherish this experience a lot. And it taught us a lot of skills when it comes to team management, task management, also handling pressure and not letting down the morale of the team, persevering through all the problems that we faced. And overall, in turn, it was a great experience, and we are very thankful to ACM VIIT for organizing such an event. Special thanks to all the coordinators, the fellows and the president of ACM VIIT. We are Reboot Rebels and signing off.